Hello, dear student. Myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bhokardan. Today we will see electrodynamics, course code number 302, semester 5, paper code number 16. Now today's content are polarization of electromagnetic wave, elliptical polarization, circularly polarized. Now we know that light wave are electromagnetic waves. Now polarization is defined as polarization is orientation of electric field. Now we know that origin of electromagnetic waves, and in the preceding chapter we have discussed the electromagnetic wave, origin of electromagnetic waves. Maxwell equation was the prediction of existence of electromagnetic waves, and Maxwell proved that an electromagnetic disturbance obtained by one charged body would travel out as the electromagnetic wave with velocity of light in free space. Now see, in optics we discuss polarization in terms of plane of polarization. Now how electric field wave propagated in space, that is shown in figure. See in figure, electromagnetic wave is propagating along z direction and its orientation is associated with respect to x axis. See in figure. And its amplitude is here shown, that is E1, that is the maximum amplitude of this blue color wave as shown in figure, that is propagated along z axis and with respect to x axis. If electromagnetic wave is propagating like this, its maximum amplitude is with respect to x axis is E1. Then this electromagnetic wave having polarization with respect to x axis, and electric field is given by Ex equal to E1 sine of omega t minus kz, where omega is the frequency of electromagnetic wave and kz is the z direction of propagation, and E1 is maximum amplitude. Now see red color line wave that is shown in figure. Now electric field propagation along with z direction and orientation is there along y direction. So its maximum amplitude is here denoted by E2, and electric field intensity is given by Ey equal to E2 into sine of omega t minus kz. In figure, as shown in this figure, two electric field wave, one electric field wave with respect to x axis and direction of propagation is along z axis, and second electric field wave varies with respect to y axis and direction of propagation along z axis. Now Here there are three types of polarization. First, linear polarization, second, elliptical polarization, and third one is circular polarization. Now see linear polarization. Now for this, consider a plane wave traveling in positive z direction with electric field at all time in the y direction, that is shown in figure. Such a wave is called linearly polarized in y direction. Now see, for this blue color line as shown in figure, electric field is varying with respect to x axis and direction of propagation is along z axis. Now for this blue color line as shown in figure, linear polarization is orientation of electric field is that along x axis or y axis. It should be along single line, single axis. Now for red color, see in figure, for red color polarization that is along y axis, see in figure, and here E2 is maximum amplitude and direction of propagation along z direction. This is linear polarization with respect to y axis. Now here electric field of a linear polarized wave Ey equal to Ez sin of omega t minus Bz. If the electric field of a wave traveling in z direction has y and x component at any point on a plane z equal to constant, then E equal to under root of Ex square plus Ey square, and the length of the vector varies from 0 to E max and back to 0 in one direction, and then from 0 to minus E max and back 0 in reverse direction. As the vector E always lies along straight line, then the wave said to be linear polarized as shown in figure. Now see elliptical polarization. If the locus of the tip of the vector E bar describe an ellipse, then the wave is called as elliptically polarized wave. Now as shown in figure, that is a elliptical polarization. Now the E vector constantly changes both its magnitude and direction. The magnitude attains maximum value E max in the direction of major axis. See, that is the major axis of ellipse as shown in figure, and the value E max in the direction, minimum value of E max in the direction of minor axis, seen, that is the minor axis of ellipse. Elliptical polarization wave is expressed as Ex equal to E1 sin of omega t minus Bz and Ey equal to E2 sin of omega t minus Bz plus delta, where E1 is amplitude of wave linearly polarized in x direction and E2 is amplitude of wave linearly polarized in y direction, and delta, that is the time phase angle by which Ey and Ex. Now total vector field is denoted by E equal to, that is E1 sin of omega t minus Bz into Ax plus E2 sin of omega t minus Bz plus delta Ay. If E1 equal to 0, the wave is linearly polarized in y direction, and if E2 equal to 0, the wave is linearly polarized in x direction. If E1 equal to E2 and delta equal to 0, wave is linearly polarized. Now see, that is a circularly polarized. If E1 equal to E2 and delta equal to plus minus 90 degree, the wave is called circularly polarized. When delta equal to pi by 2, the wave is called left-handed circular polarization, as shown in figure. See in figure, that is a left-handed circular polarization. And if delta equal to minus pi by 2, the wave is called right-handed circular polarization. Figure shows polarized plane wave propagating in Z direction. Thank you.